Hey guys, I'm Ryan Parris from Parris RV in Murray, Utah, here to show you the brand new Eclipse Attitude 2919 model year 2023. To start out on this unit, we'll talk about the suspension. All of these come with a full lubable suspension. Here in Utah, we have a lot of salt, of course, so in my opinion, that is very important to have. You can just get a little grease gun and grease those zerks just right there in between the suspension. Now with this toy hauler, it is an open hauler. It's got 19 feet of cargo total. This is one of the only ones you're gonna be able to find that has this short of a chassis with a full auto leveling system. So it does have the Lippert hydraulic auto leveling. You just hit a button for it. It does it for you all by itself. You just walk away, start pulling out your chairs, crack open a drink, start having a good time. Now got the awning out as much as we could for you. Of course, we're on our lot, so we got another trailer next to us. Full LED light strip underneath the awning, and then you got a couple of these circle LEDs. Those circle LEDs put out 2,000 lumens, so you're really going to be able to glow up the entire outside of your trailer. You got a few more of those circle LEDs on the back side over your fuel station on the driver's side, and also above the compartment door on the driver's side as well. Also with this unit, before we head on the inside, dry weight is 10,600 pounds. Total tip to tip length on this one is 34 feet 6 inches, so you can literally pull this into almost any area that you would like to. But other than that, I think I hit most ideal points on the outside, so let's go on the inside. Alrighty guys, back inside the 2919 Eclipse Attitude, the 2023. So as you can see, open hauler style. This one comfortably can sleep about 6 to 8. You do have full 19 feet of cargo all the way up into the kitchen. From this handle to the wall, it's about 74 inches. You do have that flip up floor on this specific model that will take up a little bit of width, but some of those wider side by side should be able to come right into this kitchen for you. If you don't have a 4-seat and you're just doing a 2-seat, what's cool about these Eclipses is they always do a flip up floor right below this sofa. Basically, when you have that flip up floor, you'll move everything out of the way, you'll drive your machine in, and you'll actually bring the slide in and around your tires and wheels. So you can actually accommodate up to an 85 wide machine in something like this, which is absolutely cool. I know everybody here in Utah goes to the sand dunes a lot or is just out at the desert and drifting around and everything, so it's definitely nice to be able to accommodate some of those wider vehicles. So you got 2 full queens right here. I love that they do the split table. Pretty much all these Attitudes have the option of doing the patio off the deck. All of them at least come with the cable. This one doesn't have the railings, but you could add it on. So if you want to get to that patio easier but still have a table up, you can at least take one off and still walk through. Both these fold together and make one full queen. Love that you got the 2 captain's chairs as well. Just something nice to kind of kick back and relax a little bit. Got massive windows. We kept the blinds down just so you could see it a little better, but they are huge windows. We'll be able to see anything, no problem at all. Right behind us, we got a huge TV. It's a smart TV, 4K LED, so you can do Netflix, Hulu, all that kind of stuff. Now, just right here, got the fridge in the slide. This is the 12.5 cubic foot fridge. It is gas electric, so it's gonna work really good on all the off the grid situations and everything. So yeah, that was definitely gonna be a killer setup for anybody. And I also love that it's in the slide out. They're gonna vent the best once they're going up in higher elevation. Now at the countertops, all of them are gonna be solid surface in the SAG 2919 series. Love that they do the LED light strip through the countertop. Also in the sink, you always get the solid covers, and you always get the stainless steel farmhouse style sink. You also get a really big window right here as well. The only reason why you got the metal blinds is just because of fire hazard next to the stovetop. Microwave, they're always going to do the residential, so you can put your biggest plates and popcorn or whatever you want to use it for. Sound system, they always do an awesome sound system in these. These guys got a Rockford Fosgate sound system with a subwoofer up top up there. It even has a box around it, so you don't get all the really bad vibrations and everything from it. So it definitely will sound really good. You got 2 exterior speakers, so you're definitely gonna be able to party all night with all your friends and family. Now for the off-the-grid campers, I know solar, inverters, generators, all that is pretty dang important for everybody. So this one does have solar up on the roof, and it also has a 1500 watt inverter. That inverter is wired through pretty much every outlet in this RV, almost every outlet. There's one in the kitchen. The TV is hot. There's a switch for where the TV would go in your master bedroom. That is hot. And then also one in your bathroom as well for hair dryer or whatever you might need. It holds 150 gallons of water. This is the smallest chassis of toy hauler you're going to find with that big of a water tank. Also 50 gallon gray, 50 gallon black. So you have really good ratios there. Got 3,500 pound D-rings on the flooring. You got a linoleum. Underneath the linoleum, you got 5/8 thick plywood. It's all marine treated, so definitely the best floor that you could ask for in a toy hauler. But yeah, other than that, that's what we kind of covered all of it in the main living room. So let's head on up into the bedroom and bathroom. So right here, touch screen is mainly for the auto leveling system. You can control, I think, your slide outs and hot water heater and a couple other things, but there's also an app that ties along to it with your phone. So you can download the LCI app and have it all run through your phone or through right here. I typically like to hit the buttons personally, but totally up to you guys. So it is an option to have 2 ACs on these. We usually always bring them with the 2 ACs. So it does have the 13.5 here and then a 15,000 BTU out in the living room. A lot of these Attitudes are coming with 4,000 gens and still has the 2 ACs. I know a lot of people are probably like, oh, that won't be able to run it. They're actually 2 high efficiency ACs. So you can actually run it no problem off the 4,000 watts. In my opinion, they both work totally sufficient. You always get the wardrobe slide just right over here. So right behind that mirror is just a couple hooks so you can hang some clothes. You get a full walk around. Not an RV style queen, it's a true residential queen. So it's a 60 by 80. All your regular sheets will work. If you want to swap out the mattress, you'll be able to get a mattress a little easier for it. But yeah, other than that, we'll have you guys have a peek at the bathroom real quick so you can see that on video. I think we hit all the key features on this brand new 2023-2019 Attitude from Eclipse. If you want any more information, come see me. I'm Ryan Parris, Parris RV.